Hello folks, and welcome to this course, Pharmacology in Nursing 120. I am looking forward to be teaching this course this semester. Um, this has been one of the courses that I have been teaching for last 15-16 years now, at different community colleges, different universities. I have taught at a couple of different places, and this video is really not an introduction so much to the course, but a little bit about your instructor, who is me. So as to where I come from, what I have done, and so I have, let's see what I am a family nurse practitioner. I've been a family nurse practitioner for last 18 years now. I went to graduate school in Florida. I used to live in Tallahassee, Florida. I moved from there to Michigan. I started teaching there in 2003 in Michigan, in Henry Ford Community College and Oakland Community College there. Moved from there to the Bay Area in 2004 and taught at different places here too, and also worked as a nurse practitioner. I taught at Ohlone. I was there for many years, and also have been at Chabot, at Samuel Merritt University, here at Evergreen now, and in between Bay Area and Nebraska, where I also lived in last 10 or so years. I was in LA, so I taught there also in one of the a women's nursing university, actually, in a traditional bachelor's program. So I've been to a couple places. I'm also a geriatric nurse and a med-surg nurse, and in nursing you have so many different specialties. You can never get bored if you have been doing something for some, couple of years. You can always change, see what's on the other side or in different specialty. But anyway, I do have to say that I love being here in this space, at least for now, because this is the only way we get to see each other. And welcome. Looking forward to this course with you guys.